Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see right now we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all we have to switch to the camera one. Of course you can tap on this camera on this video icon, but you can simply swipe from the right to left, and we are on the video mode. What's more, we've got this red circle inside the shutter button. So right now we can enter the settings, which are in the left lower corner. So let's tap on it, and on the third position we've got video resolution. Let's tap, and here we've got 5 different options from which we can choose. We've got 2 different full HDs, and the difference between them are the frames per second. We've got 30 and 60 frames. We've got also the HD resolution, VGA or MMS. It's of course really up to you which option you'd like to use. Right now the full HD with 30 frames per second is applied. It is, let's say, highlighted with this lighter grayish color. But all you have to do in order to change the resolution is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick this one, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here. So it means that after getting back to the camera you will record videos in chosen resolution, but I highly recommend to keep one of those full HD options because they are simply the best available in this model. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.